So today's LeetCode question is Pascal's triangle, which is a easy one. So in which what you have to do is just you have given a number integer, and you have to return the first numbers of a Pascal's triangle. And in Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of two numbers directly above, like it is shown. So if it is 1, then 1 1, then 1 2 1, that is 1 plus 1 2, then 1 2 plus 1 3, then here we got 2 plus 1 3, then 1, then 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4. So in this manner you have to just like go through all the, like, you can assume it like a 2D array, and you have just print all the elements into that. And you can see here that every next element uh, after the 0th index element is having like the previous one and previous one minus one index element and their sum. So it is just a simple question, it is already solved. So what you have to do is just you can initialize a 2D vector in C++, means you are initializing a 2D matrix which is of length like num row, and you have to, first of all you have to push 1 into the first index. So into the 0th index what I will push is your 1, and then again I will just traverse from index I equals to 1 to num row and I plus plus. Then into, like, if you have to like think about how many numbers in all index of the matrix, like a 0th index we have having one element, and the first index two element, and second element three, and fourth it like the third index we are getting four elements. So we have to take care of like I plus one elements. So we can think here of j equals to starting with the 0th index and ending at the like your I plus 1, I plus 1, or what, like if we are traversing the first one, then we have two elements, then we go from 0 1 and 2. So that is your three elements. So you have to take care like less than you can do, or you can like do equals to I. So that will be your right answer at j plus plus. So here we can see like the first element is 1 and second element is 1 as well, and the middle elements are manipulating or changing with the checking that previous one is what. So we can do another thing, just the first element we can push directly, and the last as well, like we'll just first push I will first push 1, and at last also I will push 1, and in between we have to traverse from, as we decreases one index, so it will goes from 1 to I minus 1. Like if we are here for the like third row, then in this row we are having three elements at like 0 1 and second index. So if we consider this like third row, then we will having here I equals to 2, then here we get 2, then 2 minus 1 1. So it will goes from I j equals to 1 to j equals to 1. That is only the one element that is in the middle. So it is right, and the first one is pushed here and the last one pushed here. So for the this one what we'll to do, just will push into matrix the what will push, just will consider the previous row, that is I minus 1, and the same element plus the previous row and the previous element, and their sum will be this element, and that is it. You just have to then return the matrix. Let me once run it. Okay, I have to do here this. I just missed. Okay, so you can see it is getting corrected. So that's all about this question, and thank you for watching this video.